Ebram Paibono Kosono, the Radia Kachemini, Enam Openi Nakoma Papenti, Unyamia Sado Omei Ashemisebi. Be Misiano. Amen. Thank you.
Saying in I to me a one Bible. Okay, James chapter 5, verse 17 was it Elia. Now when you need to say anything. Upon Paya Dendendende and Sianto. And Sianto Fiemi and Sa Ania Bosumis here. Osaka Sai. Then Siotoi. Now also a soul number. There may pass a year away in Auntie of Fianna. And come Sabia Babam a Yasima and a Baba Brabomono. And Baba Woods in a while so. Amen. Sa quotation where you are Mama with the room Ramon. I walk Amos chapter 3 verse 7. Okay, 7 if you are Yakai 18 also. 7 and 1 I am near kind. Maybe Omo Cabiano. I am from Abby Mammy.
Damn! Stop it. Get some help.
Nitum Sanyang Kupon. Nitumi Waho. Na before her dear. Now so kind Amos chapter 3 verse 7. I think young Kupon Yapi bitches were yet running go before. Dear 18 no young kind hot da. 18 was each a table but wine and slow. Now we are the Kasa, wine and Shem come. I will have the Kasa. Now, me as I know what Tennessee comes. Amen.
God, please, no! 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 Yeah, boy.
I say, I come see a baby so. Ya dem pie what daneno. Me mother tell you 3 hours. Nyame won fadom Nigeria there. Mo dey mo ready be say. Ye be di kunim happy. And I know me say me mama Samila Pawmia or you full of nini. Every day trouble modern. Mamma now quotation support. Acts chapter 10 verse 34 to 35. I think you go on any Pamuni. Now my dear was strong with that thing. Now person where you are dear Tenno. And we are the person what Tenno. I don't think it is possible. It's number 1 in Africa. Last quotation in the two I would have been Okasana. Sure, until I make a choice and come to be a babamuno, a baba Yakatrano, a babamajana also. 2 Kings chapter 20. A brand it is I would have this one done and Thompson as you are done.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Quotation and I made the man was 2 Kings chapter 20, verse 3 to 5. Now, everyone now was here with this man or hearing Isaiah said, Uncle Country or Isaiah said, Uncle Country or hearing Zakia. So, all Chinese here and some of the Obe one number. Now, my mention the entire time comes and eba ne so na ye wo wuo nkomse woni made a Isaiah de se urade adwen nyuma papa na MPP ya ne ma me ne papa no so ya ye nyuma papa na ma me bo ye nyuma papa me papa na na do dan kwa kufu ato ya ni mo hwe kura no kura na ko free ana wo papa na ne amna ba ya ba wa wunya bi o papa na amna ba be suya bi pa na wunya bi a tira sa ya ye nyuma papa ana me boa pastor ne bi mo aya sorry ada sa mama tamu kakra nyame asem ye didi bonsam so empire ye boni na ye wie ya de obedi kaya ba ye bonsam yesu for 40 days and nights o wie ya de odi ka ba ye bonsam ade a yesu didi diri so e nyame asem enti ye mani tibi ma no no mu se wo mo so mo ka bada ye ti nyame beti ye nsura he yo si ya ne wo mo ko ano mate wow enti last quotation no abra Isaiah call he is at the chance of Ubewu. And when Isaiah Chan and you hear first you, and what catch the rather say, Wuka will be cabins when you're meaning to me. I rather meaning to because my head to my pama. Abra me papa Israel for Akoma Paul Bosomson. Men, enemy Jim, anyone who come by, and here we are there. Maybe you were running to Messi Yan into your baby. Yes, I did. What you have said, the man will be out of my diet. Then you could go into me. Isaiah near to me, so young into me.
And see, because for who said, soon I said, I may I convince you, and they said, Dr. Baumia, because I know. Any day you may pay. It is a beer obi was sorry them not so for so abana ebetono mamu kotuma way because say the best me say the on kasa one any the kasa no ya na the on kasa no dangerous. I mean one of my prophets because I said the silent majority on the sorry to abana people will be shocked. Now whilst we are still waiting for the silent majority and conform be started el ceremony bomb so me madachi we besi we never it fear now the two almost on empire me say by 7 December and conform be tree our sentiment to abano they will be shocked. Open market say they will challenge all the figures from Ashanti region because someone said that every survey will be defeated here as far as Ashanti is concerned. Survey be and it will be defiled. Utubo say yeah survey say by for the abroso echo it may say so obi tina sorry them na say ne sofo kasa first on one corner hum ehunu say rade enemy kasa ebia me sofo the feelings na kasa ebia me sofo the religion na kasa because sofo we started through the religious card which doesn't make sense ya wa ha ana nanado etiso ya wa ha ana John Mahama better so ya wa ha ana John Kofo bia hu say Muslim be play religious card. What I say, but why is it that now, say, be a Muslim until what starting play religious card? We had a sort of about me, but to about to us one now, so bad. Now, the back someone say, sometimes, any power who want on the baby, on the baby. Sometimes, any power need to say, on no never idea, on no the baby idea, they say, because the good, I give a course of the seven run say. But who say, Dr. Baumia president, not Sika. And for the free Arab women ever supported na kingdom, it was overwhelming. Opa trotto. You see, why do people always want to attach harassment and fight about Nkramofo? Nobody touch almost say Nkramofo. Anya no correct. And komani and Nkramofo nyankofo omoye said you be ekohu na akwaka obi a so be kan. Uko ka something your friend say Christo ni obeka and ya kra na I'm telling you. But so almost that place are cats now. Now so Nkramoni di oba no. Me say Cyrus was used by God. And nobody understood it. Or I say whose right hand I have held to subdue kings and nations. People from that I'm telling you that I saw a lot of great Arabs coming here to infuse money into our economy. It will tear me out. And now will be nada because the Yami Akano and the Babem. I know about me, Casa making, or be I'm sorry for Scabian. So say, so for Jacob, dear me, come basis because I never do this. Mean sorry, me people. But a blood drawer, Yami will bring some people to speak. Because when the people of Esomacasa come on to now, I'm more getting because so what can you say? Yami said, no, but be a repair didn't meet me in control, but I can get a mouthpiece to speak for me. It's Ghana for share any say. A dear Yaman Doctor Massibano, a baby pioneer area. A baby pioneer area. I'm telling you. And she said the last Mr. Stock as a first year, Mamino. May say he's just a channel. The Ghanaians should know. Or be out with him, your first of them say, Dr. Baumia, or your channel and your first of father, so you're not a Juma. Oh, you're saying yet here, upon it here, wait here. Now, let me decide, say, may father power so I am a Juma. Oh, cost rubber from
on one of these.
On one of these. Elijah will do for Papa. And I'm a secretary, remember, no one be feed you. And one of my buy, and no man, Nipa recognition. Oh, we are not, and man, may be one. Or starting to call or back for when you see. That was where divine provision became prevalent. Emma and near what can see SC. Our mamma any Israel for Abraham. It is any party as you say. Say a true level say Obia couldn't go to gain him from a neck to 7 million Yaminipa. And I make her say, so what's the main convince who are go to gain him? Now there's something that's going to happen. Me say, and Kofa so that yes, I may so the last week of November. Monya Sasobeno, Mamunya Shanti, Namukasa for Diana Maswafa Batu. Because God Himself is going to convict people in their houses, in their rooms. Namian Kasa, every man Kofaso so that ye, I yet die papa, a fat dog about me own. They will wake up, well, sorry, and Diana so ye. May say that's what is going to happen. It is hard and won't be Polutuno. Because I know I am and a Casa direct to the person, but sorry for the cat as well. What do you stand review? After winning baby, or the cock sorry, I got to Banafa.
Prophet William Braham, I don't know, Papa, I mean, as na,
or do for abuse or a Santoria, or a young guy, your friend Kusiapia.
Yes, of Kusiapia.
Obia or didn't ask be diagrono, the Pacron over Toffo. You could bet me underestimating, but soon. A woman, and young Quada Sunsum. I'm telling you, because we need to share in the spirit. Now, Mishia, no, I will say, I can't last idea, Equitami Medeco, and I'm so the coin, also what they call Central Region. We saw the quiet or say, Yasuma, Mr. Mefa, more than me. Volta Region. This see make us moving yes analysis because me I don't do analysis, me follow any money. But be peer free what a bema the new elections to go for so no I didn't see what idea no one and one will say MPP Dr. Baumia.
I see.
Yes. The best thing is places are Nanka Ebia Omo number Kosrono. MPP will start taking a chunk of it from them. And they will not understand.
And that will send a signal.
That will send a signal. Whilst the able money by the sun, figures still be free, they will be shocked. It is said there will someone conform by a surveyor to survey on being, you know, we power to our church of Queen, so make church of Meboa as we crack away. But one more woman making kind of so, I would just so soon, you know, or make us out here. And to buy a survey because one and fan. I dear, yeah, councils on the dial best son, and on the best sorry because no making can kind A, B, and C. But as Santa Mine, no one would tell me who say, dear Yamia in the soon. Any high Musa Omedi Ghana so, I Dr. Baumia. Dear Yami Pesoye, this time of Ghana.
And Papa John Mohammed, she also for.
Okay.
And you said, Omudu Musa be good to bomb Payamana.
Now, and you know, Adia, I am in one, and I'm who I saw for Binum say, Omo pursue this agenda for Yura Mahama. I am a woman because me, size of a dealer and a small yes, I know. me no man and some of them met me and told me, say, why did you do this?
Why are you doing politics?
I don't know. We are not a political party. Now me name so me and this for that. Some of them even cease to call me into their programs. Also for me money din. So now every year.
Baby, I'm here program.
Yes. Every year I'm in the program or the man from 2012. One moment did that one from that be seen them because that no frame no crack and penny for no frame no.
That's why them no me there.
Na enemy say eh na ewi ase pa anje di say ni na yes ade aga na ni any bibia o condemn. That is our culture. Ghana ni ade oni bibia o condemn. Sanere ya tiatia no ho oba obosi e wo shape kakra e na am center baba me ho ano wanya oba okuta sa shape ni bi. Ade bia Ghana ni bibia o condemn. And new man so for catch a movie. Me Baba Melanton 2016. Me so for you are me the command invitation going to say, so launching moon was so for Bempa with me.
As a lay, damn who's on you and it's of Bempa. As a conference, Munina Casac no Mujam. I say, wow, is that how Christianity is? Baby, Christianity aduni. Na enyanka. Kuna fuwa isi ya omu krumwa uweja omu jankwala nani eni da so bia ni obi wonu mawe oton ayi body yachi body na yachi na etwa na innocence na enyu onu mpa na achi o wo san akwaji free baby obi na achi na akwaji akokan na akokan akoton na mawie mu sa enti nkwala na etwa no ho ahia nyina no uwie jesa no aka ene San kwala ni nyina nom na do ni Yoruba omia initiative so omu nyina eco school free aba ta kuma to me ntia so foi de manyan na nipa nya wiase nyina no hwe ne kra mfa so bɛn e de na e wosa so fo nya munya ye state land e de ma mo ba bie ni kwasen ki esi asoda mpo manya de sisi asoda titan ko fo tua e bi daga yi NDC payroll so bosom so asofo de ogeta hudu nyina achi no ebisa da payroll so emi etuo muka na owie we nyina esa betwa si se eni kwan se sebe nkemoni bedi o manso mpamcho o ma we ye chine sei nyakisofo ne nkemofo na tia ya tena si asumbie mu sa mpamcho mo mfa sa no ma we imade selection na nye de ripa hu bi da ne ye Mahama wodi president wadi bida yenya ye hu ye mfie nan ye da sumu sa awerewo uko studio akwa ye dwuma bra oba beda no no afrefie ku ya light ho o se da da bi o studio no kwa da atwa ya ye kwa da studio ema ebra ni ba famu na en aso fo mo hu we nyina en hwe asole kwa ekoso light is su sa and so fast uda ya ye yure fun na adan like a friend say mamin otono ayisa enne mo hunu we nyina na nso de my madwe say de monkoa e ba mo nchen mo be da government payroll so na yetuatua mo ka ansamanfo a mo nya adwuma mo gipe mo benya land ni bia ka ho benya land sisi aso dan ye adwuma kase weyinti na me ka nyame mo no kula jo say wo ya kwanhweni me yezie ni wo so yezie ni say ye to aba no me nda no. It will never emphasize Muhammad between you election with that. Or the Kwame. Me say ya to about women dano. Yo trade yam ponyankopon homedano. Enyanka nti bibia betene. Eyisia ne aplanfo nti yehu abetene wie na me say nyame ebetena se abu atan on the Friday ahomache. Na ode mpanyimfo mienu we ode ba omi atsan nifa no ode Muhammad san benkum na wa testo mu Obi agene, Obi ba for revenge, Obi ba for the betterment of this nation, and somebody is also coming for a revenge. Obi a enfa throne nsha wonsa na otumi kasa me ba omuso se mbachi omu agumunti e no mo prevent me ye na ya chi obi tumu a e mo so na mo ade ade se wo bai ya chi tumu a nka mo so na mo wa ma enti onyame ba trans Friday ahomachi asma make audio patriot to na obajaji adwene mienu no no twedi ampo kwa me de be hye Yoruba omiansa se wo na wo ba be kire oman
na ebega na fo na enkom hye bia betene nya se bia support ba mi antene ka me say Friday ahomache enkom hye bia betane in favor of Baumia inyanka ne kunafo nti sane beye
to be bia betane Friday anajo
enkom hye nyina betane Friday anajo on the 6th enkom hye nyina betane in favor of Baumia because of inyanka ne kunafo nti ewade be bie wi mabofo nyina abeto abane bi mu be dwire mo Every Sunday we have 12 o'clock on here. Who nipa? Oya president.
Yes, I'm going to die.
Now we have a man who is krum.
The ever man is krum.
Ah,
Mema oh.
Wawe. So soldier for one no the buy no. Ah, we have a man. What the warrior is krum.
That's all you did.
Now we say mema krum. So for a boy, yes, man, can say, Mono. So you need to throw. God feed her powers, Madame Father, and Abba is a yes, Umbu. I can say, now what the warrior, Sikrum?
Yes, no, Yakubo,
a bonasuma, can say, Madame Father, Adana, Obamiza,
in that
Cano, or the Fanachi, Bible said, or Fanachi bonus, Sani, the Beum. Warrior, how does Sikrum? Obaji yes to throw me. Nani nipa de aminiaka de onyame a rejected no. Nipa edni besi ho no mo a osofo bempa na kasa kan se no me besi gana no. Ye dwin dra. It's a prophecy. Ya jene nkom se di me de mbato no. Me manta fo mienu. Yeah. Ma wo manta fo mienu de edomato eja bempa. They are 6 years now. Oya papa ya jene nkom se di papa na sa se mo die enyanka enya kunafo ni nti
ono ahye nkom na to da we die nkom hye no nto so
kunafo ni enyanka ni nti we die emfa enti how long will you monsor nti asofo mo twasi ayi die hu bi da ni o man payi ma mo president die bi si da ni how long mo ba ko so abompa ma na ko si da bayi Mumbeko so dia mana ko sida bayi okoyi ebirum asore dem ye the horn of oil egu ne so anointing 2016 edinisi akonya so for natade nyina sai ese natade nyina mu agosi aga olusie na ene ide enyanka ne akuranfo ne yisi amarinti nkom se bia betere maka chola da
said the software ben o text say o met me do system o mo nyina se ma ba wi ni kuku dam pao kuku dam aye di o mo di pao But that day, on the 9th of December, no, and the big yes, 9th near around 7:20 something p.m. Na matimi aka baby anu obeda na see I mean him say oni obehu
e dey abatu aye meba yensi woni ye na yentwam to se de be duru hwa e bebo abaya ye ba betutu e ye betu yi ye betu no 7th December by be bonda ben
abano on the 8th and ahomatino results ne kakra ebeba bebe choki
on the 7th na ya to we if asem na okay
yes
results no be sha say ba
omo be bobo fozu ne ma bi won ma security matter nti we bad am avoka just wadwu do obepia no do no sira o ne bibia na make o every
yes smart yes am do we asem
and obi owa fanze me beka say na po na beye ba omiara ni me ni ento aba no kura abi obi kura say November omienti na bi o ka tire me na beka and sometimes they may be honoma because of pedigree no position ti o kan obi beka say ebi kura unim there so but I tell you this election is not going to be easy for anybody. The fear, the scares, the panic, and it's easy. And after the declaration, something will happen which I'm not going to use my mouth and say it on air.
Say you two are being yes. 7 enumerate by 9 7 something how baby number on your declaration no.
On the 8th. Ebi ba ahomate from 12 no air corner then 8 no by bed 3 plus ube who said there will be press conference upon press conference canter upon canter right there oh dear I'm a prophet of God
okay
Tratu me say first yibeba the obedin ka be yes ho wini no onwini
enti abaya ya twi party bi be di kan di America be press conference
so wini
but then tisa
no wini
results na nka sabesa ba
obi so be ba be here dey on be say ebe kokoso sa ebe delay
the final declaration no
ebe delay on the 8th na fe anope to awie nyina obe ho se bi ma
na kroma edin
obi a chen o mine na o mine mo ye huhu so hu de me ye me no mine mo ye huhu unte then on the 8th from 6 p.m. going then some results will start coming. So on the 9th of December, it's a prophecy. Write it down.
9th December 2024,
which is 75 days time, 77 days time, because it's 75 days more to the election. I think I'm right.
Yeah, now 23rd in TV.
Yes, yeah. 77 days time on the 9th of December. And also, my name is
101. Yes. Declaration.
Yes. No, bit 48, 47. No, been soon in 50 still.
Baku be jina 47. Na baku jina 50. So 47 no be member say
50 no be kwa konye 50.9%.
Me body obe jina 50 no. Some fans MPP na ti akonwa so nti omo ana eto aso a na so omo na benya 50 no. Anamboa.
Yes, that says the laws.
Okay. Na John Mahama ni NDC enya 47.
Yes.
No be 9 no.
Yes.
Okay.
This is what Mami Jena now will sit down and declare.
But before results no shall see a no. When the leaders are na say ya na be kona MPP e be leaders are kukusisi e be kwa kudusi abobaba no.
The results now bedin can start from Saturday na homa chene den. And I make us say obi bedin can be ka so wini no onwini.
The results e be ba Saturday ne be ma NDC e dikan. I don't know be ma ba be press conference o ma wini.
Yes.
But later on na enu 9 na ni nyina amra wi no.
Yes.
Na asesa.
MPP will win the elections.
Will I be permitted to give a political prophecy in Ghana? Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Flow. Flow. I have a question to ask the IGP, who happens to ask for that thing that Okuyeto said is true. He's my son. Why is it that political scientists can give a forecast and nobody will tell them to stop? Some will give a forecast and say that during this election, this one will lose or win. Nobody talks about it. And that is what they have studied. Unfortunately for me, I dropped out of school. And this is my profession. So why won't you allow me? Or you still don't believe me as a prophet? Watch this. The people that they say are my party members, NPP people, if they don't take care, they will lose almost 7 to 10 seats. But then, if NDC also don't take care, MPP will take over between 19 to 24 seats from them. But then, the election is on the 7th. On the 8th, the result will not come. Everybody shall be jittery. The result will come on the 9th. Some people will try to cause mayhem so that people shall die. And interestingly, they will call people on the street. And the first day, only 1,000 people will show up. The second day, no one will show up. And there shall be peace. And the result is obvious. The things are difficult. I know that there are 2 people coming. But the Lord has told me that by the 9th of December, His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia shall be crowned the President of Ghana. This is not, you know what? This thing has taken me a very long time to say, because I wanted to be certain that this is not my emotion. And for those of you who are my children, you can go through the archives. Not one single prophecy of mine has fallen down void. I'm not prophesying because I like anybody or I hate anybody. Let me be frank and tell you. Mahmoud Bawumia is my friend. He has never given me $1 before. If anything, I have rather lost a lot of things for just being a friend. And it's not because, hey, I'm not doing politics here. Don't fool around there. I'm serious. I'm serious. This is about the destiny of this nation. And this is what I've seen. And if anybody will take it personally, it is their problem. At the end of the day, the prophets will be numbered, and then the false prophets will be known. Watch this, giving a distinct political prophecy doesn't make me a politician. I am too big to become a politician. That's right. That's right. That's right.
Oh, MPP.
There is something in MPP
that
the Lord revealed to me. That is some form of a hardened heart. That is one person, about one person. Because of his heart. God often does not want to allow MPP into power. Just because of one person. Just because of one person. This one thing God doesn't want. That somebody would touch Christians or followers of Christ. So if you have any intention that when I have power, I would rise up against a religion or a form of worship that is godly or Christianity in a nation. Even when you have it, God will take it away from you. I am saying it in a proverb, but it is a prophecy. Just because of one person. If NPP is not careful, they may never come back to power just because of one person. Just because of one vice. God looks into his heart. God realizes that if that person receives power, it will not help the cause of his people. Not the main person or the first person. If it was left to the first person or the leading person, but after this leading person, the next person or the second person who is likely to take over, that the first person would allow him to come to power after him. It will affect Christianity and to lift up another religion, and that one would have authority over Christianity and will withdraw the hand of God. And the angel of God in Ghana says, so God said, no, if this branch does not break from the tree, I will not allow